For auction is an MBM 208J manual folder. This is an 11-inch wide. It will run 12, but it's not made for it. 11-inch wide by 17 is usually you can go longer, but 11 by 17 is what's rated for. Up to, I think, 80-pound, 160 GSM, whatever that is. I've ran 65-pound cover on this too. There's your serial number. Really simple folder, manual fold plate adjustments. I got some 8.5 by 11, 24-pound or 20-pound paper. Feed rollers are good. Separation pad is good. Thing runs like it should. I'm going to run 100 for you. It's a digital. It does have a batch system. You can do 1,000, so it stops. And then you also have speed of high, medium, and low. I'm going to run this on high. It shouldn't skip a beat. Hit start. The test does 2 pieces to check it. If you have shitty paper, you might want to run it on medium, but this stuff runs pretty good. And I'll bring you back and I'll do 11 by 17 double fold or tri-fold. I'll do a couple of different folds for you. So it's set up, it gives you all the options to do half fold. No matter what the length is, that's half fold at 11. Or this actually closes the plate for half fold. I'm sorry. And then you have your gate fold in, which you can do on this, which is interesting. Your double folds or your tri-fold 11 by 17, your double fold 14, your Z fold 11, uneven fold. I don't know why you would do that, but you can. Z fold 14 and Z fold 17, and then uneven fold 17. I guess the 14 inches. I'm not really sure. Okay, so let me bring you back. Let me go grab some. Actually, I'll do this all in one take, so I don't have to edit this at all. That's 12 by 18. Here's some 11 by 17. It's got a manual release to lower the tray. Put that back in my copier. This gets opened up. Your 11-inch paper goes in. There should be an extension table for this. I don't have it, but I believe you could rig something up here. It's not that. Actually, you probably don't even need it. I know the other small folder had something that was like an extension that kept this up. This one might not have it. Tighten these down a little bit. And you push up that. We hit clear. And we have to walk this up to, let's start with an 11 by 17 tri-fold, which is going to be here. So I always start in the middle of the plate mark. And the same thing down here. I start there. I do the test. Now, I didn't show you here's all the folds of the 8.5 by 11. It's been a long week. A lot of problems, a lot of headaches. I'm sure you guys experience the same. All right, so those are good. You also have a little adjustment here for your delivery. So bigger sheets go down. These belts are good. Everything's like new on this. I don't think this was used heavily. And then I check my folds and it's a hair off. So we're going up and out. I want to let this one a little bit longer, I think. So we go back that way. We hit test. So I'm going up, short. I want to let this out a little. I want to make this longer. So I think I make this shorter then. I could be wrong. Yeah, now I'm getting the right kind of fold. Maybe went a little bit too far. I'm gonna run 50 or let's run 25. I got this on medium. ran down from 25 to 0. The normal batch counter. It's pretty consistent for a tabletop. Again, up for auction is an MBM 208J manual folder tabletop. Little 110 power. We'll do all your 11-inch work. 11 by 17, 11 by 14, 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 5.5. We'll fold everything. This is a good little machine for all your brochures and small folds. Questions, comments, reach out. This palletizes on a small pallet and ships for probably like 200 to 400 anywhere in the country. Don't quote me on that. Obviously, if you need a lift gate, it's more. If you need residential delivery, it's more, and so on. Parts are all available for this too. It's real easy to get feed tires. These just come off, and then it's real simple. This pops out, they come off, and then this gets replaced. This little separation pad. But you get a good life out of them. Again, super easy to maintain. All you do is clean the fold rollers. Everything's accessible on this kind of system. That's it. Also, this also does close up, keeps it nice and compact. That drops down. You're supposed to put this up first. That folds down like that. This folds up like this. And it actually attaches that handle. So it folds up nice and compact. All right. Anything else I should tell you? There's a little skew adjustment here. I've never messed with it. I'm sure you could figure that part out. What year is this? I'm going to say it's 2019. It's a 19 serial number. So it probably didn't go into service, though, until 2020 or somewhere after that. Like I said, these are always small office machines usually, but they work great for small production, short runs, on demand. If you're, pay for print, small shop, these are great. Good condition, looks good on display, and all customers love to hear their stuff folded. All right. Questions, comments, reach out. Sorry for the late video. We've been swamped trying to catch up.